Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Microsoft account privacy settings in Windows 11 detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your Microsoft account privacy settings in Windows 11, start by clicking on the Start menu. From the Start menu, select the Settings icon, which resembles a gear. In the Settings window, click on the Accounts option from the left sidebar. Next, locate and select the Your Info tab within the Accounts section. Here, you will see details about your Microsoft account. To manage your privacy settings, look for the option labeled Privacy. Click on the Privacy and Security tab located in the left-hand menu. Under this tab, select the Windows Permissions section. In Windows Permissions, you can control settings for location, camera, and microphone access. Next, go back to the Privacy and Security section and click on Activity History. This section allows you to manage how your activity is tracked across devices. To customize these settings, toggle the options according to your preference. For further customization, go back to the Privacy and Security tab. Here, you can review settings for diagnostics and feedback. Click on the Diagnostics and Feedback option to view your options. Decide whether you want to send diagnostic data to Microsoft. Next, return to the Privacy and Security section and select Speech. In the Speech settings, you can adjust how speech services are managed. After reviewing these options, navigate back to the main settings page. Now, select Apps from the left sidebar. Under Apps, click on Apps and Features to review permissions for applications installed on your system. Take time to check the permissions each application has accessed. To enhance your privacy, consider modifying these app permissions. Lastly, close the settings window once you are satisfied with your changes. Your Microsoft account privacy settings are now verified and adjusted. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.